Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to cook chicken lemongrass soup. Chata kalada hin sapyama pipare, alang may minglava shin. Take the skin off, cut small pieces, and ready to cook. Don't delay, don't have a me. I'm going to chop ginger, garlic, onion. In the pot, I'm going to put turmeric powder, fish sauce, some chopped garlic, onion, and ginger. Maybe some tang try to have a me. Being a bia have a me, some have a me, sad have a me. Add some salt. Fish sauce. Some paprika powder. And a little bit of oil. And mix it up. Need to massage a little bit longer so all the taste going to the chicken. Now nevame so bio nebiwa rama chetare yada yang lo ba. Then I'm gonna add water until chicken cover. Then I'm gonna put lemongrass. Put the lids on and cook for half an hour. Now you watch out, Now it's ready. Chicken lemongrass soup is ready. Chata kalada hili yabavishin. Thanks for watching.